Hey everyone, ready to revolutionize your crypto game? Today, I've got something special for all you traders and NFT enthusiasts out there. Meet OceanBot. So what makes OceanBot the ultimate tool in the crypto world? Let's dive in. First off, check out the NFT Scraper. This feature can scan and pull up to 320 NFTs per day. That's right, 320. It keeps you ahead by providing the latest and most valuable NFTs. Whether you're building your collection or hunting for investment opportunities, this bot's got your back. Next up, the AI-powered crypto trading feature. OceanBot uses artificial intelligence to analyze the market, identify profitable trading opportunities, and automatically execute buy and sell orders for you. Imagine potentially earning up to 70% profit daily. Yes, you heard that right. Passive income while you sleep? Sign me up. For those of you who love strategy, OceanBot offers customizable trading templates. Choose from various strategies or create your own. It's super user-friendly, perfect for both beginners and seasoned traders. So why choose OceanBot? It's your all-in-one solution for automated trading, NFT discovery, and real-time market analysis. Maximize your profits and minimize your risks with these powerful features. Let's recap the key features. NFT Scraper, up to 320 NFTs day. AI crypto trading, potential profits up to 70% daily. Customizable trading templates, tailor strategies to fit your needs. Real-time market analysis, get the best trading opportunities as they happen. Ready to level up your trading game? OceanBot is your ultimate tool. Check out the link in the description to get started with OceanBot today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. Got questions or comments? Drop them below, I'd love to hear from you. Let's make smarter trading decisions with OceanBot and take your crypto game to the next level.